Hi guys, this is Adnan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video, we are just going to talk about how you guys can improve the battery life of your mobile phone. Guys, in this case, there is lockdown going on, and it is necessary to have your battery for a longer duration. So guys, in this video, we are going to just solve that. So make sure you watch this video completely, and each step has a separate impact on the battery life. So make sure you watch it and like this video, share it with your friends, and let's roll the intro. So alright guys, the step number one is turning off NFC, Wi-Fi and GPS and Bluetooth while not in use. So guys, when you're not using it, just keep it off because it uses the battery and it may drain fast. And this was a quite simple tip, and most of them might know this. So guys, moving on to the second one, it is the location. Turn off the location while not in use. So let me just show you. I just forgot to show you on the screen. So make sure to turn the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and other settings off, and also location off. That was the second tip. So guys, third tip is turn off vibration. As you guys know, there will be a vibration motor in your mobile phone, and that needs to be kept off because and it also gives the mobile a premium feel. And let me just show you vibration. Like, I don't like it personally, but people also keep it on. As you can see, I have already kept it off. When you keep it on, when you tap on the keypad, if you type anything, each time it vibrates. So guys, if you want vibration, you can keep it on, but then I prefer to keep it off because the motors consume a lot of battery. So guys, next, the fourth application is clear the background apps each time you keep your mobile phone. So whenever you stop the mobile phone, or you stop using it, you can just clear the background apps. And guys, the fourth thing is rather the fifth thing is use dark modes and wallpapers. So you can just have this application. I think I had it. Okay, it's not here. You can just open the Play Store and use the black what do you say, if there it is there in the search history. No, it's not there. So black wallpapers, you can just use the applications available there. There are some applications available for Samsung exclusively, and this trick works with AMOLED display mobile phones significantly. You can just make out the changes as well. And if you have a dark screen or use a dark wallpaper, the battery consumption will reduce significantly. Even in a normal LCD displays, you can just turn on dark modes in everything. As you can see, I have the dark mode on in everything. So like Instagram, WhatsApp, and everything else, I have the dark mode enabled. So if you guys can enable that, it will save you a lot of battery. So guys, moving on to the sixth one, guys, remove background data apps. So guys, you can just go to the settings and check out what applications use the data exclusively. And if I just open up data usage, guys, oh shit, data usage, and then search for it, click on data usage, and it will show you a lot of applications, which application is using your data exclusively and like extensively. So you can just check out Magic Pen. I have stopped using it for a long time now, but it is still consuming data here. So you can just restrict the data here. Restricting background network access for this app might make it impossible for the app to work normally, receive messages, download content, etc. Restrict anyway. Click on OK and restrict the application, and your data will be saved there. So for me, I don't have any issues, so I'll keep it on, but then you can just keep it off. And guys, moving on to the seventh one, use low brightness theme. Yeah, just use low brightness and don't keep it on auto brightness because it will just keep increasing the brightness and decreasing unnecessarily, and you might not like the feature as well. So you can just keep it to just like this one. How much I keep this much, or maximum you can just keep it to 40%. That's enough. And when you go out, you can max it out for a second when you just view the phone, or else you can just manage with this much. So this is the seventh tip there. And moving on to the eighth one, guys, switch off live wallpapers. I am using a live wallpaper, but then you can use a static wallpaper or a image that can scroll through the pages. So you can use that. I am using this separate application. If you want to know which application it is, let me just show you which application I am using. It's called Forest Wallpaper, and I have hidden it somewhere just to make sure I don't keep tapping on it. Yeah, it's here. This is Forest Settings. This is the application I'm using. It will just keep changing according to the weather, and I don't have any battery issues with my phone, but then people having it can just change it to a static wallpaper. Guys, moving on to the ninth one, guys, turn off auto updates. Head over to your Play Store and open the settings there, and my apps and games, and turn off auto updates here. Let it just load up, and no problem found. Checking for updates, update all. And guys, in settings there will be auto update. You can just switch that off. I think you should go to settings, go to auto update, search for it, and yeah guys, you will find it somewhere. You can just turn it off. That's it in this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. And guys, if you guys also need a video about how to save or reduce the excess use of internet in your mobile phone and have it for a longer duration, then you can check out the link in the description as well as the link in the iCard above. So guys, meet you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Goodbye.